So good morning children. Up to now Indian system, international system we discussed in the previous classes, and now I want to say the importance of the commas in the lesson. Means here in the place value chart, how to read a number, how to write a number using the commas. It's very easy for you. You can write and you can read it very easily. Come and look at here. I'm showing one of the pic for you in this video. Use of the commas. It's a very important that you should use the comma whenever you are writing a number, whenever you want to read a number also. Now in our Indian system of the numeration, we use ones, tens, hundred, thousand, lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, crores. The first comma comes after the hundreds place and marks thousand. The second comma comes 2 digits after. Later it comes after the 10,000 place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after the another two digits and it comes after the 10 lakhs. Place it mark as crore. So commas help us in reading and writing the large numbers very easily. For example, down 7 crores, 45 lakhs, 17,000 and 500 can be written as, come on, look at here, how many crores? 7 crores. How many lakhs? 45 lakhs. And how many thousands are there? 17 thousands. And how many hundreds given? 500 only given. So 7 crore, 45 lakhs, 17,500. It is the number usage of the commas here. Similarly, we can easily read the number which is separated by the commas. Come and look at here, one of the number I am showing here. Come and count how many digits are looking. Here 3 places, 2 places, 7 places and 9 places. 9 place means it is 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So yeah, it is the crores place, lakhs, thousands, ones place. So come on, read it. 45 crore, 30 lakhs, 14,252. This is the number name which is given in this example. Now come and look at here. I am showing here. Do this. Do this. You have to do in your book. Compulsory you have to do in your book. Read these numbers and write in words. You should read this number and write in the words. Number name. That is number name. Now look at here. Exercise 1.3. There's the first problem. Write the numbers using commas. Commas means you know na? Placing the commas. How to place the comma? Already I told to you how to place the comma. So come and look at here carefully. The first one, write the numbers using commas. So here this total exercise you should write in your notebook along with the do this and exercise 1.3 heading keep and first bit write the numbers of the numbers using the commas. So first problem write, just I am showing you in this paper, but you should write in your notebook first problem and just place the commas. Now along with me count ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. 8-digit number, the 8th digit is the crores. So how to place the comma? Already I told to you. Ones, tens, 100 after comma. Ones, tens, 100 after comma. 1,000, 10,000 after comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs after comma. So you write the problem first and again you can copy the number once again and place the commas. So first bit it's completed. I think that you understand this bit. Just write first problem and again write down only the second, copy that one and now place the comma. Second one, write the numbers in words. Words means number name. Words means number name. So your number name, you can read it is a 5-digit number. 5-digit number means ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 5-digit number means you should get an idea of it is the 10,000 place. So 34,025. Write the number in your book and keep the equal symbol. Keep the equal symbol and write the number name. Same as second one. You can read along with me. This is ones period, thousands period and it is the lakhs period. So 7 lakhs 9,115. And come on, along with me read this one. ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. It is 9-digit number, that is the 10 crores period, 10 crores place, and this is the crores period. How many crores? 47 crores, 60 lakhs and thousands you are having only zeros. So 317. Once again I am repeating, 47 crores, 60 lakhs, 317. And come on, look at here, fourth one. It is having, come on, how many digits it is having? 8-digit number. 8-digit means it is crores. How many crores? 6 crores, 18 lakhs, 7,000. In the thousands period, how many? 7 are there. In the lakhs period, how many? 18. So in the crores period, 6. 6 crores, 18 lakhs, 7,000. So I think that you understand these 2 bits. So you should do this one and this 3 bits you have to do. I will send the pics for you. You should buy the textbook from outside. And compulsory you should be along with you. If you are not having the textbook, I will send the pics. See the pics and then write the questions. Now come and look at here, the third one. Write the number in figures. Figure means what? Number name given. You should write the number name given. Come and look at here, 4,57,400. 4,57,400. How many lakhs? 4 lakhs. How many thousand? 57,000. And how many hundreds given? 400. So it's a completely, it is having continuous periods. So the number is 4,57,400. Once see here, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Like that you should understand this one and write the number. Okay. Next, 60 lakhs 2,775. 60 lakhs means, okay, 60 lakhs. Lakhs period completed. Now 2,000 only given. Where about that the 10,000 place? He not given the 10,000 place. So we have to keep here 10,000 place 0. 10,000 place 0. Why here 2,000 only given? So 2,775. 775. 60 lakhs 2,775. So come and check once. This is ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. It's completed periods. We not skipped any period here. Any place also we not skipped. Here 60 lakhs. Okay, 60 lakhs. 2,000 only given here. They not given the 10,000 place. So what we have to keep? In the 10,000 place we have to keep 0. So 60 lakhs 2,775. Like that, these 2 problems yourself you have to do. Next, come and look at here. Write the numbers in the expanded form. So this up to here complete. And again tomorrow you will get the another video related to this 4th bit and 5th bit, and continuously 4 bits I will complete. I hope that you will do this work and complete the work whenever the video will send to you.